welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can organize even the smallest of kitchens with some really helpful space saving kitchen organizing tips and ideas. If you have a very small kitchen or you don't have cupboards in your kitchen, then these pull-out baskets will be really helpful for you. You can easily store a lot of essential kitchen items in these baskets and keep the items segregated for easy access for everything that you need. Here I have stored small snacks items for my daughter in this first drawer. Then the other snacks like biscuits, chips, popcorns and sweets are in this second drawer. I have kept the unopened grocery items in this third basket, and tissue boxes, foil wraps and Ziploc bags etc. are in this last drawer. This way it is easy for me to find the stuff that I need. These pull-out baskets are available in many different sizes with more or less drawers, so you can buy them according to your requirement. They give a unique and nice look to any kitchen. You can also use these storage baskets with lids to store your open or unopened snacks and food items. Use section boxes to keep very small packets of food items such as tea bags and small sachets. It will also segregate the items, making it easier for you to find them. Here I have kept small sachets of Eno, green tea bags and other small things in this section box. Use a small basket to place dishwashing essentials near the sink. Here I am using this small basket to keep my dishwashing liquid, scrub, plastic wool, sponge wipe and a toothbrush. They are all nicely organized in this small basket, making the sink neat and clean. Also, there are many different sink organizers available in the market which you can easily buy if you don't want to use a basket. These corner shelves are very useful for small kitchens. These can be put in any corner of your kitchen, and its different shelves are very useful in segregating a lot of items that are hard to store otherwise. Here I have used them to keep all the small containers and other small items in my kitchen. I can easily pick any item that I want. They are all nicely segregated and organized. You can use these corner shelves for organizing a lot of things in your kitchen, such as different sized cups and dinner sets. Use a fruit basket with cover to store the fruits that you don't want to store in refrigerator. This way it will stay protected from flies and other insects in your kitchen. These tiered shelves are a real space saver and look amazing in any kitchen. You can use them to store small containers. Every container is easily accessible and visible and will give a beautiful decor to your kitchen. You can also store different sized cups and glasses in these tiered shelves. You can use baskets with lid to keep tea towels, hand towels and cleaning supplies in your kitchen. Here I am using this basket to keep all these things and have kept them in a way that everything is easily accessible and visible for me. All my kitchen hand towels are in one place here. Then here are my tea towels, sponge wipes, cleaning cloths, bin bags, scrubs and plastic wools. I won't have to take out every single thing to find a particular stuff out. Use a mug tray to organize all your mugs. These save a lot of space utilized by big mugs in your kitchen, and you can display your favorite mugs on this pretty looking mug tray. plastic bag organizer for storing all your empty plastic bags. You can easily hang them on any wall of your kitchen. They look really nice and keep all your plastic bags organized. Use revolving spice rack for storing all your spices. I have this really pretty looking spice organizer which can hold 16 spices all together. Half of the jars have these big holes for spices like fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds and coriander seeds. These spices can easily come out when you shake this jar without having to open it. Other half jars have small holes for keeping ground spices like pepper powder, tea masala and salt. This rack is very helpful in saving plenty of space in your kitchen and looks amazingly beautiful. Always buy the storage containers in both big and small sizes so you can easily stack them on top of each other. This way they look great and save a lot of space for you to utilize. Use the area under your kitchen sink to store the cleaning supplies. Use small basket to keep bottled cleaning essentials. Here I am using this small basket to keep extra bottles of dishwashing liquid, all-purpose cleaner and spray bottle. I am using this small container to keep my dishwashing bars for using in my dishwasher. You can easily find all these organizers in your local stores or online. You can also find the links in the description box below to buy these organizers online. Please comment down below if you want to share your thoughts and ideas with me. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.